An unstable internet connection is the primary reason for a blinking white Xfinity router. To resolve this issue, resetting the router can be a viable solution. This can be done by locating the reset button at the back of the router, holding it with a pin for 15 seconds, and then releasing it, which will reboot the router and restore its factory settings. After resetting, re-entering Wi-Fi details may solve the problem. However, if the issue persists, it's possible that there's an outage in the area, which can be confirmed by inquiring with neighbors. Another potential cause is loose or damaged cable connections. So checking the wires that connect to the router and power source for any damage or looseness is necessary, and fixing or replacing them if needed. If the problem remains, it could be a software issue, which can often be resolved by restarting the router. This involves unplugging it from the socket, waiting 60 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Additionally, an overheated router can cause the blinking white light, and if the router is warm to the touch, turning it off, letting it cool down, and then turning it back on may resolve the issue. If none of these solutions work, it's necessary to contact the service provider for further assistance.